This stuff's the competitor stuff. It just peels right off. Doesn't even stick. Gotta get all the dust off too, so the resin sticks. Okay, let's get the resin on there. Just squeeze the bottom. Take the plastic piece. But you want to make sure there's no air bubbles, because if you get air bubble, if you pop the air bubble, you'll get water in your ding. Make sure you get all the air out. 3 minutes is up. This side looks pretty good. Let's see. It's all off. Good. Okay, we're all done. Little fine sandpaper to smooth it out. And I'm gonna go windsurf the lake right now because it's blowing 20.